All right, so we get a lot of questions every day about what are the differences between each of the different ICEVENTS variants. So we're going to do a couple different videos here. Today we're just going to do ICEVENTS Classic and then a holster pad real quick. So what are the differences between all of these different silhouettes? So this is an ICEVENTS Classic heavy load out plate carrier shoulder pad. You can see this has power mesh backing. Okay, so this is a 4-way stretch, moisture wicking, super thin layer. And for those of you that are curious, you can see ICEVENTS are actually super squishy, even though they're incredibly structural to displace and disperse load. Now, this is a hook receptive loop ICEVENTS Classic, which goes in our range belt pad kit as well as our chest rig ventilation pontoon kit. So still same texture, but you can see it has this hook receptive loop material, which means it can accept Velcro hook. This is an ICEVENTS Classic hook backed, which means that it connects to Velcro loop. So this is really a ICEVENTS Classic ventilation pontoon, or you can also put it on some belts that have loop on them if you want, but really it's meant to be a ventilation pontoon. Okay, over here we have the ICEVENTS Classic holster pad. So a lot of you guys are familiar with this. This is designed to go on the True North Concepts MHA as well as the Blue Force Gear holster adapter. This is a prototype of a direct drop-in of the Cry Precision foam pads that come in the AVS. So if you guys want us to bake that, let us know in the comments below. And this is not part of the ICEVENTS Classic family, but we figured we'd throw it in here anyway because a lot of people love this thing. And this is the ICEVENTS AIWB holster pad for the T-Rex Arms Sidekick. Works for, doggone it, I said sidekick, I meant sidecar 2.0. And it works for Glock 19, Glock 43, 48, a whole bunch of them, 43X, 43X MOS, full list on the website, but this is that, and it has that hook receptive loop on this side in case you want to use a wedge or something like that. And it also has power mesh on this side. So this is the side that goes up against your body. And the way that this works is kind of if your sidecar looks like that, then you'd put this over and then run the screws through the screw holes and you're good to go. That's the ICEVENTS Classic line. We'll do ICEVENTS Aero next week.